students, the other day we discussed some different definitions. That is cohesive force, which is the intermolecular force between molecules of same type. Adhesive force, that is the force of attraction between molecules of different type. Sphere of influence, it is an imaginary sphere drawn with the molecule at the center and radius equal to the range. What is range? The distance from the molecule, हे जे arrows दाखवलेत ना, the distance from the molecule up to which the intermolecular force is effective, त्याला range म्हणतात. Okay, I'll repeat. What is intermolecular forces of two types? Intermolecular force between molecules of same type, cohesive force. Molecular force of attraction between molecules of different type, adhesive force. The distance from the molecule up to which the intermolecular force is effective is called as range. And what is sphere of influence? It is an imaginary sphere drawn with the molecule at the center and radius equal to the range. That's it. Okay, हे definitions. तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या, मुलांना एवढं मोठं डायग्रामच नसतं. Actually molecules are very very small in size and the range is only of the order of 10 raised to -9 meter. It's very small, students. That's it. Now we will enter into the topic part, and that is surface tension. Other day I was telling you that always the tendency of any liquid surface is to acquire minimum volume and minimum surface area. Why? Because if it has minimum volume and minimum surface area, it will occupy minimum number of molecules and hence minimum surface, minimum energy, stability will be more. Okay, therefore drops of water, drops of kerosene, drops of blood are all spherical in shape. That's it. What we are going to discuss here is, today we will enter into exact meaning of what is surface tension. Why does the liquid surface behaves like a stretched elastic membrane? का liquid surface असा का वागतो? That is what we are going to study here. For that, consider any liquid, students, in a container. Okay, easily available is water. Consider three molecules. Molecule A, well within the liquid surface. Molecule B and molecule C. Okay, molecule A is well within the liquid surface. Molecule B is slightly below the liquid surface and molecule C is exactly on the liquid surface. Okay, concentrate. For molecule A, the molecule A is acted upon by only and only cohesive forces of the liquid. These cohesive forces are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Hence the net effective force acting on the molecule A, which is हा आतला टिपका म्हणजे molecule ना students, circle नव्हे, circle is sphere of influence. So the net effective force acting on the molecule inside the liquid is 0. Net cohesive force is 0 because the molecule A is acted upon by only cohesive forces. These cohesive forces are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, cancel out each other. Net force on the molecule A is 0. Students, for the molecule B, कसा है? Sphere of influence is very very less in quantity in air and major quantity in the liquid. Hence for the molecule B, which is slightly within the liquid surface, two types of forces act. They are the cohesive force of the liquid, which tends to pull the molecule inside the liquid, the adhesive force of air, which tries to pull the molecule above. So two types of forces: cohesive force of the liquid, which tends to pull it in the downward direction, adhesive force which pulls it in the adhesive force of air which pulls it in the upward direction. But the effect of the cohesive force is more. Resultant force acting on the liquid is cohesive in nature because adhesive force is less and hence can be neglected. Hence the net force acting on the molecule B which is well within the liquid surface is in the vertically downward direction. बघा हा molecule A वर net force act होतच नाही. Molecule B वर which is slightly within the liquid surface, net force pulls it down. Look into molecule C here. Molecule C is the dot at the center. Sphere of influence is half or partly in air and partly in the liquid. Okay? Hence, the molecule C is acted upon by two types of forces, that is molecule C. For the molecule C is at the center. Its sphere of influence is partly in air and partly in water. The molecule C is acted upon by two types of intermolecular forces. The adhesive force of air, which pulls it up. The cohesive force of water or the liquid, whatever you take, pulls it down. But let me clear it again. The adhesive force is much weaker than the cohesive force. Okay? Hence, the net force acting on the molecule C is in the vertically downward direction because the adhesive force is neglected. Ends the job. Are you okay? Are you okay, students? झालं. म्हणजे meaning काय? Molecule A चा प्रॉब्लेमच नाही because it is acted upon by forces equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Net force is 0. Molecule B ला net force is the cohesive force which pulls it down. Molecule C ला net force is also the cohesive force which pulls it down. Hence, we observe that for the molecules present on the liquid surface or slightly within the liquid surface, net forces acting are pulling it down. Hence, the liquid surface behaves like a stretched elastic membrane because all the molecules on the liquid surface are acted in the vertically downward direction. Net molecules present on the surface are minimum, hence minimum surface area, hence minimum energy. Hence, every liquid surface behaves like a stretched elastic membrane. That is, the surface of the liquid behaves as if it is under tension. This is called surface tension. Simple. कळतं? म्हणजे सगळे मॉलिक्युल्स जे फक्त सरफेसवर असतात, they are only put in the vertically downward direction. Surface of molecules शिल्लक राहणार because every molecule is put in the vertically downward direction. Hence, surface tries to acquire minimum volume, minimum area, behaves like a stretched elastic membrane, and this property is called surface tension. आता mathematical definition. Students, what is surface tension? समजा हा surface आहे लिक्विडचा. Okay, this is the liquid surface. Okay, what is mathematical form of surface tension? Surface tension is denoted by the letter T. It is the force per unit length acting perpendicular to the liquid surface at any point. समजा this is the liquid surface here. The force per unit length acting perpendicular or at right angles per unit length is called as surface tension, or surface tension is F upon L. Okay, what is surface tension? It is a force per unit length acting perpendicular to the liquid surface. SI unit, what will be the SI unit? Very easy, Newton per meter. Dimension, it is, बघा हे डिटेल्स लिहायचे नाही का? M1 L1 T minus 2 is the dimension of force. Meter is L1 L1 0. हे लिहायचं नाही, परत सांगते. Net dimensions लिहायचे M1 L0 T minus 2 are the dimensions of surface tension. कळतंय? Next, we will enter into surface energy. What is surface energy? As I have already told you, tendency of any surface is to acquire minimum number of molecules. Hence, for the molecule, म्हणजे all the molecules on the surface or within the surface are acted upon by a force which pulls it down. Hence, all the forces, since they are acting in the vertically downward direction, to take the molecule to the surface, to take the molecule from within the liquid to the liquid surface, we have to perform work. Work against what? Work against the force which pulls it down. Hence, the energy of the, we have to perform work. The energy of the liquid surface increases. This potential energy, which is the work done to pull the molecule from within the liquid surface, This potential energy or work done to pull the liquid molecule from within the surface to bring it to the surface is called as the surface energy. Ends the job, students. For today I will stop here. हा टॉपिक ह्यूज आहे, म्हणजे आपला बऱ्यापैकी पोर्शन पण संपेल ह्याच्यानंतर. फॉर टुडे थँक्यू अँड बाय. चलो.